So I found the bridge. I need to go find the Switch Palace. Let's go. Let's work our way back. Let's work our way back. Stop. I don't give a fuck about the timer. Let's go. Let's go way back. We're gonna go back to the beginning. I think it was here. Yeah. I never finished Thalassophobia. No! Secret? Oh. Nice. In there. It's actually not too tight. Oh. Dolphin. It's down here. Well. We found Panga. I want to see what's in the other pipe. It could be a secret. Nope, no secret. So what do I do? Just ride the dolphin? Yeah, it looks like I just ride the dolphin. Wow, that's fucking cool. Do I gotta keep up with that dolphin? Yep. Jesus. I bet I am dead. Yep, wow. Holy shit. Oh. What? The fuck? Oh! I'm too late though. Okay, I get it now. Oh! I put in hours since Friday. Dude, I've put in 6,000 hours in one night. I don't even think math works that way. It works that way with time dilation. Oh, is that like something from that movie with Sandra Bullock where she like travels into space and is on that time traveling planet? Is that what happened? I was like on that fucking planet for like, you know, 3 minutes and it calculated out to like 9 months. Like that? Oh, fuck. Yes! Geschafft. That was pretty cool. That was a pretty cool level. That's 18 exits. Damn, I still got a lot of exits to go. All right. Mount Moon. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, that was pretty easy. I doubt that's the end. What? Oh! Oh, got him! I really... Oh, I get it! No, you let that one fly by. You let that one fly by, and then you ride the other three. Ugh. Oh, barely made it. Oh, great. Well. Ah, okay. This level's pretty cool. Oh! Oh, wow! Oh shit, I did it. Are you fucking kidding me? Where's the Kaiser block? Whew. There we go, baby. Nice. Oh shit. Okay. I got one done, and in the middle of it, just another artist made a joke about HIV. I never went back there. Yeah, that's fucking yikes. You know, there was a fucking lawsuit, like, last year. Someone tried suing a tattoo artist because they wouldn't tattoo them, but they had HIV. They refused to tattoo them because they have HIV. And the guy sued the tattoo artist. Fucking put that in your head for a second. You know what? I don't even remember the... Whoa! Holy shit, I teleported. I don't even remember the verdict. I just... Oh, shit. I just remember reading it. Yes, you have the right to refuse service to anyone, but he was playing it off like it was, discrimination. Like, it was discrimination. See, the thing, though, is, like, as a tattoo artist, like, okay, look it. Every tattoo artist has pricked themselves with their own machine. I've accidentally pricked myself on the finger before. It happens. But, like, dude, it's dangerous. It's fucking dangerous. You could just you could just die. That'd be it. Oh, that was way too early. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get today. I don't understand today. So when you get tattooed, you have to sign paperwork, right? And the paperwork... Oh, shit. The paperwork... Oh, my God. Kaiser block? Oh, that was way too late. So when you get tattooed, you have to sign paperwork and like take a photocopy of your ID and everything. And you have to sign that you don't have like these certain diseases, because we need to be aware of like, you know, if you're a diabetic or if like you have HIV. For instance, if you have HIV or if you have a heart condition, we have to know about it. We gotta know lots of stuff. Why won't I tattoo you? Is that a serious question? Oh shit. That's fucking cool. You've got a private jet plus money. That's okay. Dude, what is up with that? Why is the platform like fucking my momentum? Progress. Oh! God, like the camera just fucking zoop, zoop, zoop. Oh, What? What do? Oh shit! What? What even happened? I didn't even have enough time to stop! Ah, fuck! How? Ah! What if it's a troll and there's like another platform that comes and I have to wait? It could be anything in Mario World. Fuck! Nice BK impression. Joke's on you, I've been screaming since I was a baby. God, just, you know, there's like a fucking like little nail in the back of my mind that's like, that's not how you beat the level. I think I see the strat. Yep. Well, this will be a good attempt to check. We're checking to see if another raft shows up. I don't think Barb would make you wait this long. Maybe if I get... What if I get the orb going left? If I get the orb going left, I'll continue walking left. Nope. Oh! I was right there! I don't get it. God, I need some fucking Kaizagra. I'm as fucking floppy as like a ripped rubber band right now. It's a metaphor. My Kaizo skills are fucking in the fucking toilet because I've been fucking for 9 hours. Okay? I did. No! No, no, no! I know what to do! No! Don't you dare! Okay. Oh my God! God, I'm an idiot! Toasty Coles? Toasty Coles. Testicles? I got a fucking cowboy hat on. Oh shit! Oh my God. Yep. That's that dumb fucking face. Barb, thank you for putting me in the game, man. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I gotta show my girlfriend. She's gonna freak the fuck out. You guys wanna take a Snapchat selfie? In the same room. I've never played Doom. Yikes. What the fuck? The fuck? Oh shit, okay. Oh! Fuck! Oh jeez. He's in the fucking soil. Yoshi. Yeah, I was in Laser's Discord and I saw. That's so fucked. Okay, let's go. Safe? I think I'm safe. I've already been playing for almost 7,000 hours, yeah. Holy shit. Jesus! Dude, I'm not getting peace feed. Oh shit! Run, Yoshi! Run! Fuck! I forgot to activate my death counter. I'm sorry. Hold on 1 second. Oh no! I jumped too early. Fuck! You wouldn't happen to own a ticket to a DeLorean, do you? No, it's actually a hyperbolic time chamber. What's a hyperbolic time chamber, you ask? It's like when you visit another planet and the time there is different than the time everywhere else in the universe, right? So Ryukar, he actually gave me the key to his hyperbolic time chamber. If you guys don't know, Ryukar is actually like 70 years old, but it's because of the hyperbolic time chamber why he looks so young. I don't know how the science behind it works, but I can tell you that's why he's so fucking, that's why he's like known as a god at video games. That's his trick, that's his secret. Isn't that a thing from Dragon Ball Z? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Ryukar's had it for the past 1,000 years. It's the thing Michael Jackson used to sleep in. I think I heard rumors of that Pyro Yeti, yeah. No, it's triggered by software. There's a software I have installed. It detects the memory value of every time Mario dies, and then it basically writes down the number in a text file every time it happens. So yeah, basically magic. Computers are magic. Nah, you know, when I talked to Jakku, I had a conversation with Jakku one time about like technology and how I'm not, you know, I'm not technologically sophisticated. I don't know much about it. And he's like, you just gotta remember that all a computer is we have learned to capture electricity inside rocks. Logic gates? No, we just captured electricity inside rocks. That's all it is. Keep telling myself that when T-1000 is coming for you. What's T-1000? The Terminator? It's still gonna be electricity captured in rocks. Oh no! Oh, oh. Oh yes! Yes! Oh my god, I thought I was dead. Oh my god. I was like, coins! Oh wait, no, what? So I went right through both of them. Awesome, let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. What? Oh my god, that's tight. Okay. Wow. Okay. What? What am I doing? Wait, what? No! It's inverted? Oh, okay, that's progress. Oh. I'm dead. Fuck! Oh! Oh! No! No! What? You guys want to hear what happens when you leave your tea kettle on the fire too long? I know, random as fuck, right? A 30 decibel yell. How did I even learn that skill? So when you scream every day at the top of your lungs, you wake up one morning and a little tooth fairy shows up on your pillow and she whispers in your ear that you're fucking up your vocal cords, right? And you're like, but wait, you're the tooth fairy. And she's like, no, I'm actually not the tooth fairy. The tea kettle fairy. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Not the tooth fairy, the tea kettle fairy. I should just change my extra yell emote from King Kai to a tea kettle that has an open mouth and it's yelling. Imagine a possibility is ripe for abuse. you gotta have the roll off too at the end, right? And then you gotta make the little burgle sound like you poured your tea kettle, so it's like oh fuck me. What just happened? I don't know. I don't need fucking anything. I entertain myself. Guys, oh man. Harp's gonna see that and be like, Tofu, what the fuck is wrong with you? Oh no! There's spikes! Oh! Barely made it. Shitty ass! Are we done? 2 weeks ago, I had 30 viewers playing Dark Souls 3 for one day. And now, like, my averages this week have been so out of this world, I don't know what to say. Oh, shit! Oh, it's oh! Any percent route. Oh. Okay, well, no, we gotta go find the hidden exit now. There's a hidden exit inside Dew Slayer. Yo, what's up, Trinity? I'm fairly certain it's not in the second half because Barb always talked about how he was upset, how he after designing more, he didn't like how far some of the secret exits were in Grand Poo World 1. So it can't be much farther than that. Shut up. What? Cheeky fuck. You cheeky fuck. Oh my god. Dude, this is so fucking cool. Oh, wow. Dude, it feels so good to find shit without spoils. Dude, Barb's a cheeky fuck. Barb's fucking cheeky. Oh my gosh. Shit. How did that make sense? Whoa! Dude, this level is so cool! Okay. Whoa! Oh my god. Yo, thank you, Arkness. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Dude, that's wild! Who's gonna be critical? Yeah, Pooh's the main one I don't want to get spoiled. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? What happened to becoming a god in the hyperbolic time chamber? I didn't say I became a god. I said, no, you mistook me. I said Ryu gave me the key to his hyperbolic time chamber. He said he bought it from a Russian stripper back in the 1700s. And, he gave me the key. He let me use it once. And that's why it says 6,900 hours, okay? Ryu's the god, not me. Yeah! Fuck! Cool. You know, in my head, I was like, safe, I'm good. It's a secret exit, you know, the trollery's over. No music either. I feel like this has to screen wrap also. It's either that or the pipe's the answer. It's either the pipe or the screen auto scrolls. Or both? Both? Maybe. Okay. I fucking knew it. Oh, it's like a maze! Oh, what is this? Kaiserblock? Kaiserblock? Okay, so that pipe actually leads you out. Maybe. No? Is there anywhere else I could use this key? What? Really? Really? Oh, wow. Wow, nice. Okay. This was my own fault. I tuned into Laser Belcher's stream for a second. Somewhere in this level, I guess, it sends you to Widow's Peak. I saw that. So I'm just forewarning you guys now. I have been spoiled on that notion. I don't know what it does. I just can't believe it actually happened. Widow's Peak is my least favorite level of Grand Poo World 1. I'm probably dead. Oh! Okay, they pop back up. Through the pipe. Secrets! Oh, dude, this level. What the fuck is this? Start! Give it to me! What is this? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Oh my god, get me the fuck out of here. Oh my god. No! No, let me free! Fuck that. Get me the fuck out of there. Fuck that. Fuck that noise. That was disgusting. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, shit. Whoa, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, no, the color palette to this is actually pretty cool. Like, it has a bunch of... Oh, okay. Fucking... Okay. No, I like the, it's like, it's got a good contrast, right? It has the very muted background, but then, like, the foreground is, like, very vibrant. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. That was pretty cool. Okay, okay, okay. Who was that in the picture? It was Juzka. Good old Mr. Juz. Oi, janky hack, mate. I want to see Juz's reaction when he found himself. I feel like Barb specifically put these portraits in places that, like, we enjoy, or that, like, suit our character, right? Like, Juz is, like, you know, known for being, like, you know, Juz. Beast, his portrait was inside that the Pokey level. I don't remember where Linkdead's was. Panga's was in the Dolphin level. I bet you Grand Pooh Bear, his portrait is like in the last room of the castle or something. Or I mean the last room of the final level. Yeah, you know, he has me in the lava cave, and it's like a fucking metal song, and I'm like a fucking like hardcore metalhead. I really, oh, that just feels so natural. Ah! Okay. Whoop! I think I needed that. Yeah, I needed that. Okay. Ah! Fucking A. Is there anything right here? It's a troll! Like that? Okay, I think I get it. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, there's my ride. What's up, dude? Shit! Oh, you ran away. Where's my ride? Oh, you gotta go all the way. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, pipe. Yo, what's up, Yurizo? Ah, fuck. Morgan Freeman is my dad? No, my son. That was my Morgan Freeman impression. You know what? I may have a shitty impression of every person, but man, I could fucking, I have the best tea kettle impression you will ever hear in your life. No one will fucking ever top my tea kettle impression. Do it? You ready? You ready? You want me to do it? You gotta wet your lips. That last sound was you pouring your water into the teacup. That sound needed clarification. Yeah, I'm really good at the tea kettle. My cup pouring needs some work. Apparently, I've never had real water. Wow, way to spoil how to make tea. Oh, I fucking love Twitch chat. Jesus fucking Christ. You guys are just S tier. We're skipping B, A, and AAA straight to S tier. Oh, that worked. Okay. I don't want the floor to suddenly fucking fall on me. I know Widow's Peak is here somewhere. I saw Laser Belch in Widow's Peak, and then he got teleported out somewhere. I saw that. I don't know where it is, but I know it's somewhere here. No, it was my own fault. It was my own fault. I spoiled myself. I've really like been doing really good at keeping away from streams, but when I raided Laser Belch yesterday, or not yesterday, the other day, no, was it yesterday? I think it was, I don't know. Literally this past week has kind of like blended together, but it's fine. I don't know. I don't know everything. I just know Widow's Peak is somewhere here. I know it's somewhere here. I have a feeling it's in this fucking pipe. I have a feeling it's in that fucking pipe. Oh my god! Really? I don't want to do Widow's Peak. I know it's in here. It has to be in here. Fuck me. Alright, here we go, I guess. You cunt! And you're, yeah. I guarantee that's not the answer. There's something else. Maybe there's a hidden wall. Yo, what's up, eyebrows? Yeah, there's no way. There's no way Barb's gonna make you fucking one-shot fucking Widow's Peak. I saw that, Oakmeister. God, that fish. What if the fish is the— dude, that's actually something I could see. What if the This sounds crazy, but what if that fish is the P-switch? That could be it. I could totally see that being the thing. Because that fish is like, it respawns, so it's like obvious enough, right? It's obvious enough to where like, you won't get hit, but yeah. I'm gonna try it. Dude, we're almost at 69,420. I mean, think about it. In 40 minutes, it's gonna be 69,420. Please. Well, that's not the answer. The fish is not the P-switch. Dude, with Barb, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if that would actually be the fucking P-switch. What am I missing? Maybe I have to get like a yump? Pipe? What?! Dude, I held down on the pipe earlier! Oh my god. Shitty ass. Okay, hold on. I don't want that thing to just fall on me. Even if I get it, I can't jump up here. Oh, come on, dude. Please. Please, no. Please, no. 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 It stopped moving. Oh, okay. 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 Then the thing falls. No! That is so evil. Oh my god. He got me. At every turn, he fucking got me. Oh my god. Kranpuril was the final boss the whole time. Dude, this is like the most elaborate troll I've ever seen. Fuck me in the ugly ass, man. That's it. That's it. 21 exits. Down.